family developed the property in 1988. One of the things that went into the design was, the desire to make it unique, and we feel we've certainly done that. I mean, the reaction of guests when they walk in is unbelievable. Some of them say, this has only been here for 18 years. Looks like a 300-year-old building, and I mean that as a compliment. And being on the north side of the building, it attracts a lot of mildew. So in areas, it had a brownish, greenish tint to it, and when you got close, you could actually see that, yeah, mildew was forming. So obviously that needed to be washed clean. So at first we thought we were involved in just a power washing project, that we would power wash the entire exterior. And then, with the help of Mark Cologne and WeatherTight, when we really got up close and took a very good look at the surface, we realized that there are other things that needed to be done as well.
I called John Capagno over at Architectural Wall Systems, who I've been dealing with for years. We set up a meeting with the owners. John explained the new Platinum Clare program that they have to the owners, and he explained that to the owners that they would need to get an engineer, a certified EIFS engineer on board, and they agreed with that. So then we met with the engineer, I met with the engineer, and we walked the building again, and he came up with a repair procedure for what he saw. Because what it means to a contractor really wants to do a right job, it means that he's got help. He's got help from Dryvit, he's got help from the engineer, he's got help from the owner. So everyone's really on his side, and everybody wants to make sure that he does a good job.
It's not your everyday EIFS guy. You want to look at the guys like Mark Cologne from WeatherTight doing the sealant jobs. Those are the type of guys that are geared up to do a job like this and will do it well.
In the Northeast, as everybody knows, there's millions and millions of square feet of EIFS applied. In a case of a huge commercial job like this, there is no alternative but to go with the original system provided and to renew it with the original system components. Dryvit is so far the only company that I'm aware providing that.
It was explained that this was a new program, an opportunity to go about this, kind of revitalization work in a set way with a third party, outside inspector, and come out of it with this extended warranty. So it seemed like a great thing to get involved with. We went into it thinking more that just the aesthetics of the building needed to be corrected. But then, once we got a closer look and, with a trained eye, we were able to, realize that there were more, serious issues that needed to be addressed.
With the Platinum Care, we can go meet owners directly, convince them that the system works, be 100% behind it, and we can provide, everything they need to complete the project restoration. So in that sense, it definitely opened up new opportunities, and as far as I'm aware, no other EIFS manufacturers offers it right now. They only offer renovation products, coating products, but they don't put it into a bundle package, I would say.
We had our third-party inspector here, I think 7 or 8 times throughout the course of the project. I think he was a great advocate for us, worked very well with our contractor, WeatherTight, and WeatherTight as well did an exceptional job. They were on top of every issue that came up. If we mentioned something to them that needed to be addressed, they took care of it right away, and we worked very well together. And we'll probably work with them for periodic maintenance over the next over the course of this warranty program.
The owners here, I've talked with them. They love the building, they love the job. They're very happy with that building. They think it's one of the best investments they made in the building.
So it can be a beautiful building like this that somebody wants to renovate and make look nice for their customers, or it could be a box in the middle of the Midwest somewhere that somebody just wants to make perform better. So really, it's endless what you can go for. It could be anything, which is the great part about it. It's beautiful.